Safe right there. Let's see if there's something in here. There's freaking vertebrae in here. What the? Come on, that is gross. Ooh, here we go. Yak pot. Now that's what we're talking about. Subscribe. All right, guys, we bought this storage right here for $720 plus buyer's premium expenses. And well, I bought it for like a couple specific reasons. What the hell was that? Is that leaves? Oh my goodness. So that's kind of tight right there. I think that box is a little bit, that might freaking be a couple $100 right there, but it's covered in dust. I figured maybe I can use these in my backyard. I like that it's been sitting for years. That's pretty tight that it even has those, right? And then it's a 30-foot unit. Let's walk over here. We're going to walk over to this other side. Ooh, spiders. Spider-Man. Right there. That would have made this unit go through the roof. I sure wouldn't have got it for $720 because of, what the heck is that, tools? That's safe right there. Let's see if there's something in here. Let's get to it. What do you guys think right now? 720 well spent. That would have probably made it cost like $3,000 just because it's safe. Whether there's something in there or not, that's what would have happened. All right, so we have a really dirty patio furniture set. I think I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I'm probably not going to keep nothing. All right, empty trunk. Let's go. Like ammo trunks, air transport, ground station, master spare parts. Oh, no. Oh, that was almost full. These are kind of neat. I wonder what those are worth. Take that out in the light a little bit. Could have been guns, could have been ammo. I like those. We're gonna set these aside. Those could be money. Maybe like climbing stuff. USSC type MMA 7. Needs to be something a little cooler. Not bad. A little bit of tools. Photo development kit. What's this? Maybe something cool in here? Could find cameras in here somewhere. Is this in here? Nope, it's Christmas. Oh my. Oh my. I buy a lot of these old units and they just seem to be full of, I don't know. This has definitely been sitting for years, and right now, a couple boxes in, I'm not seeing nothing exciting right off the bat. This is something I think I'll hang. I'll definitely hang this in my yard for sure. Maybe that safe will have everything we want to find. Gosh, how do I keep ending up in these units like this? Okay, what's this? It's kind of neat. Don't know what it's for, but it's neat. Business cards? No. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Tripod? Audio Technica. That could be something on the bay. Official T-ball. Huh. That could be something as well. They were into some pro audio gear for sure. Hopefully we find something of extreme value throughout it somewhere. Wireless microphone. Okay. ATW. Let's just see something because I want to see something to make me happy right now. I don't see this system, but this has potential. I'll have to do a little bit more research, but this has potential to be something. Much of a crazy video, go through every box. Look, paperwork, calculator, old electronics, pot lid, your infamous styrofoam ice chest. One of my first big jewelry hits was in a ice chest like this. This one is not going to be jewelry for sure, but it's like somebody went through their unit like 20 years ago and then decided to keep paying. And that's kind of wild. Should have took it all the dumps, huh? That's probably the coolest item I think I found so far. Hey, Rocky, watch me pull a rabbit out of my hat. We'll set that aside. I've always said the cold reality of the storage auction business where scare money don't make money and cash is king. And lately you guys are seeing that because my storages have just not been what they used to for sure. There's freaking vertebrae in here. What the? Come on, that is gross. Did not expect to see that. Yikes. Ooh, here we go. Yak pot. Now that's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about right there. That is something. I'll take that all day long. That'll help me get back some money right there. I mean, literally. Damn it. Bold. Ooh. Okay. Maybe. 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 All right, let's take this out here. This might be good. This might be good. right, a little bit of costume jewelry. Timex. Tight though. Okay. Buddy, money in every box. Foreign coin. Okay. That's pretty fire. One earring. Ooh, that is freaking sick right there. A little fossil. Ooh, those could be gold. We'll have to check those later, but those could be gold. They do make those in gold. Interesting. Interesting little box for sure. We do have some things that came out of here. It's looking promising. That was almost full. Are these gold? Shut the It was almost the gold. Made my loot. Ooh, almost. Ooh, that looks like silver. This looks like silver. Nice. Napier. Ooh, more silver. Okay. All right. Ooh. Wow. That's fire. All right. That's some cool stuff. I'll take that. Better than a sharp stick in the eye, as I like to say. Bluegrass Fiddlers Convention. All right. Very old Carhartt. That's kind of tight. It's kind of small. But believe it or not, people like that. It's all Rafferty. Our good piles almost paid for the unit. Flea market stuff will just be pure profit. What's this? The Leica camera. Ooh, close. Close. All right. Bluegrass Fiddlers Convention. All right. Very old Carhartt. That's kind of tight. It's kind of small. But believe it or not, people like that. It's all Rafferty. Our good piles almost paid for the unit. Flea market stuff will just be pure profit. This is kind of fire right here. I don't know who made that, but I like that. I would hang that in my garden somewhere. Star Trek. Oh, Beethoven. Yikes. Books. Yikes. Huh. Grandma's basket plus 3 drawers. 1 box that isn't ransacked plus purse. Damn it. Doesn't look good. They knew. They knew. They already knew. Okay. Let's see if there's anything in here. I don't think so. It's all weird. It's all gone through. Really dirty. Not trying to waste time. Too much to edit that way. We're just trying to get it out of here. Unit number 4 done.